everyone! Today I have something truly exciting to share with you. I'm diving deep into social media, management tool that's been making waves in the industry. Get ready for our SmarterQueue review. I am Madeleine and I'm thrilled to introduce to you SmarterQueue, the ultimate social media management tool that's been taking the digital world by storm. Picture this: multiple social media, endless content scheduling, and keeping up with engagement. Overwhelming, right? Fear not. SmarterQueue is here to simplify your life and supercharge your social media strategy. Here at Online Girl Boss, I use SmarterQueue to automate my social media posts and plan my content effortlessly. Before, I was manually scheduling everything, and it was so time consuming and frustrating, I felt like I was always playing catch. Now, I just set it up once and SmarterQueue takes care of the rest. It's freed up so much of my time, reduced my stress, and allowed me to focus on more important tasks like growing my business and spending more time with my family. The results? A streamlined social media strategy, more consistent engagement, and more peace of mind. Now let's talk about the game-changing benefits that SmarterQueue brings to the table. SmarterQueue automates your entire scheduling process. No more worrying about missing the best posting times or recycling your evergreen content. It handles it all so you stay consistent and maximize your reach. It organizes your content into different categories, allowing you to target specific audiences or themes. Plus, by creating variations, your audience stays engaged with fresh, diverse content. Now, the visual calendar is a game changer. You can effortlessly see how your content is distributed across platforms and easily spot gaps in your strategy. SmarterQueue helps you find engaging articles, videos, and resources for your audience with built-in content discovery tools. You can curate and share this content in seconds, expanding your content offerings while saving time. And that's not even touching on the AI-powered features. It's literally a game changer. Are you feeling the excitement yet? I sure am. But wait, there's more. And here is the best part. SmarterQueue is offering an exclusive extended trial for our viewers. Instead of the standard 14 days, you'll get a full 30-day free trial to experience all its incredible features. Do not miss out on this amazing opportunity. Click the link in the video description below to claim your extended 30-day free trial of SmarterQueue. Trust me, you won't want to go back to your old methods once you see what this tool can do for you. And thank you so much for joining me today for the SmarterQueue review. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more tips and tools, and don't forget to give SmarterQueue a try. See you in the next one.